Hi, I'm Nezvers and I do stuff. Today we are going to walk a very dark path. Let's call it a node path. Recently I helped two guys with same problem. They didn't really get how to use a node path when referencing nodes in scene tree, and they had same question: what to do when I want to move a node in different position in the scene tree. And they liked the tip I gave them. So let's go in. But first, sip of coffee. So here I created a simple project to demonstrate how NodePath works. And I put a script on this node. I called it me. And me node has child, grandchild. Me also has parent, brother, sister, grandparent, and grandparent had more childs than just our parent, uncle, aunt, and each of them has child and grandchild. So let's go back to me. Take a look on this script. On ready function, this is where we experiment with NodePath. Here we get node with our NodePath, save reference to node, and I'm printing out the name of our node, and to know where actually we are, I'm printing out also parent of that node. And here I just get quit to close the window, because only thing I'm interested in is printing out on terminal. Before beginning, I can say that influence of NodePath system came from CMD or basically any OS system terminal. If you know how to change directories in terminal, you will know how to use NodePath. So dot means you are referencing back, well, actually the script caller reference himself, so it will get back himself. So let's trigger it, and it's printing name me, parent is named parent. Okay, what if we put two dots? We trigger. Name is parent, so this node, and its parent is grandparent, so we are referencing this one. But what to do if we want to get child? So this is node with the script, and it wants to get child. That means we need to either put the name of the child. We can do that. Name is child, parent me. It doesn't matter. I think it doesn't matter if we put slash. Oh no, it doesn't like it. Yeah, it doesn't work. Don't put slash there. But we can do like reference myself and go deeper to the child. Yeah, and we are referencing again child, parent, me. What if we want to get grandchild? It's simply we are going a level deeper, and it's grandchild. So name is grandchild, parent, child. Okay, and in case we want to get a sibling node, then we need to go a level back to reference parent and reference other node inside the parent. So two dots to go back to parent node, and let's check brother. We get name brother, parent is parent. So brother, we're referencing this node. And same goes if we want to get deeper. Yeah, name grandchild, parent child. If we want to get some levels back more, we just add more two dots. To get our grandparent, we go level back and another level back, so that will be grandparent. Yes, name is grandparent and its parent is Node2D. So we are referencing this one. Similar if we want to get uncle, so it's go back to parent, go back to grandparent, and then uncle. Yes, uncle and its parent is grandparent. So that's basically it. So let's get to the question that is bothering many of us. What to do if we want to move around our nodes and don't want to get rewriting the path every time? It's pretty simple. If we do something like export node path var node path. I'm just using the same name, so I don't need to change the rest of the code. So by using export, it's now available here on the inspector. You can assign, let's assign brother's child. Okay, and let's start. Ta-da! Name child, parent, brother. Now we can move it around. It's in different place in under aunt node, and let's check it. Name, child, parent, brother. As you see, we moved the node around, but still we didn't need to change our node path. I have to mention that this might not work always if you are using the same name for different nodes, like child, 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 child. Because as I'm understanding, this way of exporting node path is doing something like find node. If you have changed the project or something, it will try to find the node, and it will go through the tree and will accept the closest node with the same name. So it might check child under me. But while you are changing nodes around while the scene is open, I think it should work still. So that's a heads up for that. I hope you liked this tutorial, and I hope to see you next time. See ya!